Rica, happy Mother's Day to all. So we brought out some more of our flavorful proper local wine straight out.
Oh, I raise up your foot.
We brought out the Jamoon, the Red Silhouette, and of course the Night North. We're going to take it to the market. We're going to give the person and Mr. Fix Up, and we're going to give them the taste and hear what the people have.
Well, Mr. Fix Up fixed me up today, and now I'm waiting to go home and fix up Mr. Fix Up, because Mr. Fix Up done fix me up. And I feel irie.
I'm in Puerto Rico, and I just beaten a wine that made it from Buxton, and I'm enjoying it. It's very good. It get me tipsy. Alright, I need a girl too.
Wine, SKB is we own. Natural made Guyana. I'm in trouble tonight. Hey!
Easy yourself.